What's up guys, Farhan here, and today we are in Sengkang Fire Station. We're going to review this ambulance today.
Hey, no. We are not going to review ambulance, eh?
But what?
We are going to do something else. Come.
What? Do what?
Follow me.
Okay guys, so I'm here with Lieutenant Colonel Shafi.
Hello.
It's been a pleasure to
likewise.
once again see you lah on another video.
Yeah, betul lah.
Yeah, second time. Yeah. So, Harry, I just want to ask you, how did this program come about?
Okay, so the Responder Plus program is something that we have offered to the public, in a general sense. But the thing is, us and the team, we had a discussion, and then of course we were inspired by some events on the news, where there's injuries on the road and all that. So we asked ourselves as riders, how can we better attune our offerings to the public to teach them what is really necessary for them to know, the key and core life-saving skills for them to know to help themselves, their families, their communities, their friends. That's why we decided to come together to kind of fine-tune the Responder Plus program to be more contextualized for riders.
Kicking off the session, our team and thru were introduced to the Responder Plus program. We started with a comprehensive theory lesson on essential emergency preparedness knowledge and first aid. The interactive session allowed us to practice bandaging techniques, including tourniquets, slings, and experiment with a moldable SAM splint for immobilizing bone and soft tissue injuries. We also learned the Heimlich maneuver for choking cases.
Remember, ring finger, okay, this is the belly button. Ring finger, belly button, 2 fingers above, 5, 4, 0, the pointy part above the 2 fingers. Okay, now I'm gonna tell the person, sir, don't worry sir, I need you to bend over a little please. So, it's gonna be an inward outward thrust like a J motion. Okay, your palm behind the face. Okay guys, welcome. Come.
Next, we moved to another room for Handson Training on CPR and AED led by the SCDF officers.
Sir, are you okay? Okay, if there is no response, S is to get shout for help. Sir, please call 995 and then sir, get an AED. If you establish there's no sign, okay, then you can start doing your compressions. If your guys are old enough, you know BG is staying alive. So that's the beat that you need to follow.
Staying alive. Staying alive, staying alive.
Press harder that one. We're going to teach what to do when there's a choking on an infant. The term infant means 1 year and below. Slowly but carefully, okay, adjusting, take on the neck. Okay, you can either sit down or you can stand. So I prefer to stand, just show on standing mode. Hold the back like that. Now you need to turn. Rest it on your thigh. Alright, 5 firm back thrusts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if there's no response, what you need to do is check for breathing. Again, same like a dog. Ears near the mouth, eyes near the chest. Okay, feel for the rush of the air. See whether there's any rise and fall of the chest. Negative. Now you got to do your compressions. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10. Cover the mouth and the nose, okay, with your lips. Okay, for babies, you only need to give about 30 cc's or 30 ml of air, which is just 1 puff.
And after a thorough demonstration, it was our turn to try out the life-saving techniques.
The first thing to remember, don't be scared lah. You're there, you're being called upon, right, with the app and all that, then you want to help, right? So first things first is 6 words lah, very easy. Doctors ABC. So first is D, right? So D is for danger. So you must make sure your area is safe for you before you help others lah. So make sure nothing dangerous, there's no water spillage or no any fire going on. Okay. Next one is R. So R is for responsiveness. So you come try and tap the patient. Tap. Yes. Hello, are you okay?
Hello. How are you?
Bukan.
Hello, are you okay?
Okay. So if there's
hello,
no response,
okay?
No response, then you shout S. S is for shout for help. So ask someone, passerby, shout for help. Call 995. Call ambulance 995.
Okay.
Okay, you try that.
Okay. Hello.
Hello, are you okay?
Hello, are you okay? Are you okay?
So there's
Help. Call 995.
Okay. Right, and then after that is A, B, C, right? So A is for AED. So then call another person, get an AED.
Okay, can you get me an AED? Okay. Apa hal dengan baby?
Cepat sampai. Okay, then
Okay.
B is for breathing.
So you check for the breathing. You put your face near to the mouth. If you can feel any breath coming out, and you at the same time you see any rise and fall of the chest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 10. Yeah, fun. Very tiring, you know.
I mean, I don't hope. I hope I don't get into this situation now.
So see, you're doing good compressions, right?
Yeah.
The blood is flowing all the way up to the head. So means you're doing good. You're recoiling, allowing for full recoil. Means the blood can all fill up the heart. Then you're continuing these chest compressions to help the patient being able to have blood flow to the brain, basically. Okay. Yep. So you just continue first. So all this has already been done, right? Okay. So once defib pad plays, then we let the machine read the rhythm.
Don't touch patient. Analyze it. No shock advised. Start CPR.
Okay.
I'm shocked.
Stop CPR. Don't touch patient.
So in real life, if you are tired, that's where someone else can be ready to take over you. So then you can be here.
Don't touch patient. Analyze it.
So if you're doing CPR, then you should stand by here. Then your turn to get ready. So you hear that? Shock advice, right? So then you be nearer. Correct. Then you press. You press. Make sure everybody clear.
Shock delivered.
Yes. And then start CPR.
Okay, enjoy, bro.
Good.
So you stop when he starts to breathe.
Yeah.
Or
So
when he starts breathing, you still.
correct. So you either stop your CPR when the machine prompts you to stop, when the machine wants to check the heart rhythm, or when ambulance arrive, or when the patient spontaneously breathes on its own. Otherwise, we'll just continue until the ambulance come. If you're really too tired, you need to stop. You can just stop for a while, about 10 seconds, then you continue back. If you are alone, if you have more than one people, then you all should rotate the chest compressors, because your field, right, is super tiring. So that's best is you all can rotate each time the machine asks you to analyze the rhythm.
So which means if the patient is not breathing or help hasn't come, we have to continue compression.
Correct.
Okay, I continue compression. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're alive, sir. Oh, alhamdulillah. Oh, okay. I managed to save this gentleman from a brink of death. Oh, hope you recover, sir. Okay.
What kind of outcome that you'd hope to achieve with the program?
Yeah, so with the Responders Plus program, we aim to train basically as many people as we can from all walks of life. So today is bikers, tomorrow is Tai Chi club, to whoever it is, sewing club, gardening club. We want to get the social goods because we want to leverage on the social dynamic. And of course, the inherent value add to learn skills to help your fellow members. I think that's important in learning life-saving skills.
And finally, we got to fight fires. Literally.
If you're strong, okay, you can just pull it out. But better technique, just simply as just holding on to it, okay, pressing on it and just turning the pin until it breaks. And that's it, simple as that. Okay, so remember the 4 alphabets, PASS. So to pull the pin. Okay, so when you pull the pin, please do not press on the handle. You're just making it hard. Okay, simply lift it up, pull the pin. Okay, I'm a left-hander, so extinguishers on my left. Okay, getting older also, so taking care of my back, so it's like that. Okay, comfortable, all right, easy to maneuver, especially for guys, no issue. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it close to my body. Please take note, this is CO2, never touch the bottom. Okay, you're gonna get frostbite. Yes, okay, don't touch the bottom. Okay, the longer you press, okay, the colder it gets. So hold here, close to your body, so it's easy for you to control. My default distance is roughly about 1.5 meters. The bigger the fire, the further my distance. Outdoor setting, if the wind is blowing towards you, just move accordingly. Pretty straightforward. Nice, right? Nice, right?
1, squeeze.
How can the riders reach out to you guys and participate in the course?
Oh, very simple. You Google Responders Plus program. Then it will lead you to the SCDF website. Then there's a few numbers you can actually call or you can email. So all we need to know is your class size. That's it. And then you just leave our contact number. Then we'll take it from there. We'll arrange a suitable venue. We'll arrange a suitable time, and then we can conduct the course. And I have to mention the course comes at no charge. SCDF does not collect any fees for this course or anything like that, because it's our intent to educate as many people as we can, these life-saving skills, and of course increase the pool of community first responders, such that any incident that happens anywhere, you come across it, you know what to do, you are confident, you are able to take the first steps before SCDF arrives, and I think that's very valuable in building a nation of lifesavers.
If you're keen to sign up, here's the link for the
imaginary.
Oh,
you'll put something there.
Yeah, I'll put something there. So if you're interested in the course and you want to get your group to come here, also get the cert. Okay, so once again, thank you to SCDF, to the guys also lah. They are here today, 333 also, and we'll see you guys in the next one. 1, 2, action. Okay guys. And action.
Apa kena cakap? Apa kena cakap?
Cakap lah, my first time, please teach me.
So
Ride on, Tambak Overlanders. We're living